we have an mission.
Really? Where to?
A cell.
Okay. Let's go.
Well, we're here.
Looks nice.
Look out! What was that?
Looks like a lysosome. They protect the cell.
Gotta write that down. Let's get out of here. What's this?
Looks like a wall.
You just found that out?
It's probably a cell membrane.
The cell membrane?
Yeah, it's like a gatekeeper.
Well, if that's the gatekeeper, how do we get past the gate?
We probably need to disguise. I am a mummy, and I have secret powers, and you will let me through. You will unlock.
Wow, what's that?
It's probably the vacuole.
The vacuole?
Yeah, it's like a food storage area.
Is that the nucleus?
Looks like it.
What is this stuff?
It's probably the chromosome.
Yeah.
That holds the DNA.
Well, we're at the nucleus. Now what?
Let's see. We blow this thing up.
What?
Yeah.
Fine, let's do this. 3, 2, 1. Fire in the hole!